Hello everyone. Today we have a job role from Exponentia.ai and it is a junior data scientist role. And the job location for this role is Mumbai. If you see the job description, you can see in this internship, it will provide you an opportunity to work closely with the experienced data scientist and gain a hands-on experience with the real-world data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization project. And you will support with the various data science initiatives. You will learn valuable skills and contribute to solving complex business problems. And the skills required for this role is data science, Python, and machine learning. Now, if we see at the role, you can see it is mentioned data analysis, model development, data visualization, research, and collaboration. These are the things you will do in this role. And if you can see at the education or qualification, and if you see at the education qualification, you can see you should have completed the BSc in CS or other. And the desirable skill for this role is you should be proficient in the programming languages such as Python or R. You should be familiar with the data manipulation libraries, for example, Pandas and NumPy, and virtualization tools such as Matplotlib and Cbond. You should have a basic understanding of machine learning algorithm and their application. The designation of this role is Junior Data Scientist. Please try to apply for this role as soon as possible because they can close the job opening anytime. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.